up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to AZEK Trim Talk. This week, I'll be showing you how to install an AZEK column wrap with a few tips and tricks along the way. Let's take a look.
Many products in today's market have clearance requirements due to moisture cycling and exposure to Mother Nature. The vicious cycle of freeze-thaw deteriorates wood composite, and fiber cement very quickly. Here you can see this post has been installed directly to grade. This will cut the life of the post in half due to contact rot. Fiber cement products require a 2-inch clearance from grade. This takes away from the look of a floor-to-ceiling column design and leaves a desire for a better aesthetic. The AZEK column wrap comes in 2 pieces, a 3-sided profile and a cap. The corners are held together with a locking miter joint, which keeps the joints in place. Blue tape is placed vertically on the seams to keep the joints tight. This tape will be removed within 12 hours of installation. There are 6 simple steps to prep your column wrap. 1. Measure your post height. Translate that measurement to your column wrap laid flat, stacked 2 by 2. 2. Take your speed square and circular saw, cutting to your marked measurement. 3. Lay your wrap so the interior joints are facing up. 4. Using AZEK adhesive, lay a heavy swab of glue all the way down each seam. 5. Carefully snap together the miter joints, creating 90-degree angles on both sides. 6. Clean up any excess glue.
So we've ensured that the post is level. Next, time to install the column wrap.
Taking the prepped half, set it around your post. Prep the open edges with AZEK adhesive and set the male end of the cap into the female end. Clamps may be needed to ensure the wrap is set properly on the post. Starting from the bottom, work the entire cap piece into the groove until it snaps into place with compression.
AZEK Pro Tip. When fastening, use painter's tape and a trim crayon to conceal all fastening holes. The residue will be left on the painter's tape, only leaving the nail hole touched up.
Securing the wrap is essential. Using a finish nailer, fasten at the bottom, middle, and top of the column wrap. Now that the wrap has been set, it's time to trim the cap and base. Here we will be using a 5/4 by 8 AZEK trim board, an OG base cap, and a ram's crown for the skirt. This step in the process allows you to get creative. Mixing up your moldings will provide a very unique look. We will start the trim detail with the flat stock. I chose to butt these corners because it will be painted, sealing the exposed cell structure. Miter cuts are another option. I've created a matching U profile and capping it using Cortex screw-in plugs once in place. Next comes the OG base cap. Miter each end at a 45-degree cut. AZEK Pro Tip. When mitering your trim, stand it up the way it is to be installed, giving you a perfect 90-degree fit. Lastly, we will install the ram's crown, again cutting 45-degree angles. The base provides a nice classic wood look with little maintenance. The capital mimics the base, just flip the other way.
The finished product. Nice clean lines with a classic look. And did I happen to mention little to no maintenance required? Thanks for joining this week's Trim Talk. We'll see you next week.